Hey guys, on this video I want to show you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours in no time. You heard me right. So I am on my YouTube dashboard now. I'm using a computer, but you can use your phone. If you do not have a computer, go to Google Chrome and search for YouTube Studio. Before you do that, just look at the top right of your screen. You see this kind of dotted lines here, these three dotted line. When you click on it, you will see, you click on it, you scroll down, you see where they say desktop site. Just select it and your phone screen will actually turn exactly like this. That is if you do not want to use the mobile version of YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has a mobile version. So if you want to use the Chrome version, that's fine. So you just enter YouTube Studio or you type this studio.youtube.com and it will take you there. Okay, so let's say you have come up here. The next thing you want to do is to click on this particular button that says go live. So we tap on it. There is something we want to copy here. There's a link we want to copy here before I take you back to my mobile device. So there are changes on YouTube Studio. Okay, before, if you need your stream key, it was very much easy to find your stream key before now. But right now, things have changed. You no longer find your stream key where it used to be before. So you just open these and then you scroll down. Let me scroll down to show you something. Let me scroll down. You see this place? This is where you used to have your stream key. Now you have stream URL. You have a backup saver URL. No stream key here. I watch a lot of creators. When they get to this point, they wanted to copy their stream key, but when they get to this point, they get confused and run outside to use another means to stream their videos live. So let me use this opportunity to show you all where your stream key hides as we speak. All right. So I am going to do this. Have you seen where they say learn how to use encoders? Tap on it. When you tap on it, this is where your stream key is. Stream key. Can you see? So we will copy the stream key. We just copied the stream key. And then we hit on done. Normally, I will just leave my screen now to go and show you how to stream any video using your mobile phone. There's an app I will show you using your mobile phone, but no, I want to show you how to set up the live stream so it will not be a casual live stream. It will be a detailed live stream that has information on it. So that being said, this is what I want you to do. You come down to here. When you come down here, you tap. If you are using a computer, did you see where I tapped? I use this little arrow to shift my screen. So let me show you again. I'm taking my screen backward. Let me say I want to shift my screen forward so that I can have a full view of this place. This is where I want to set up this live stream. And I'm very, very sure that yours may not be like this. If you are using a mobile phone, you should see everything all at once. It will not divide your screen. I'm very sure of that. So this is what you want to do. You tap on edit. You want to put in every information you need for the live stream you are about to run. You can see this is the last setup I made. I was supposed to set up and then go live with this video title, how to use OBS Studio to record your screen. So each time you want to set up a new live stream, remember to come down here and edit it. Okay, so you will enter your title here. Anything, maybe like this video was about how to use OBS Studio, but you must enter something there, whatever. Then you come down to description. You must enter a description, whatever your video is about. Enter your description. Like this one, I had already automatically set this. So how do you want to go live? Choose a broadcast type. So if yours is not automatically set, remember to use this drop down button to select streaming software. Streaming software, not streaming key. Streaming software. Okay. Then you come down here and you set your visibility to public. Set your visibility to public. Do not fail. You come down here to the category. What category is your video? What category are you streaming? So my video, this particular video showing how to use OBS Studio in 2026 is how to and style. That is the category. So if your video is a comedy video, remember to pick entertainment. This will enable YouTube to know how to distribute your video to the right audience. So I had already designed my thumbnail. You get to your thumbnail, you pick up your thumbnail. See, when you are streaming this video you are about to stream, it will not be a funny thing. It will be a very beautiful, well set up video. People will see your thumbnail, people will see your description, your title. It will be a full setup video, not something casual that you just upload. Okay, and video will and YouTube will understand your video very well. So playlist, if you want to add to any playlist, how to grow on YouTube, you can select your playlist, any playlist you want to add that live stream to. Okay, you now click on done. If you already have a playlist that is called live stream, you know that is where you will pick to add that video on, or any other one. Feel free. So your audience, remember, your audience has to be, no, it's not made for kids. Some people will tell you, don't worry, don't set up all those things, just go. No, me, I am saying you should set it up. It is important to set everything up just like you are uploading a video. So if you are not using AI to make that video, remember to say no, that you are not using AI to make that video. Okay, so every other thing, automatic chapters, you can leave it or you want to take it. Now, here is for tags. You know what tags do for a YouTube video, right? So you add in your tags. And then remember to break your tags with a comma. So all these ones are automatically set. So we scroll down to all these ones are automatically set. You leave your moderation on basic, turn on comments so people can comment, anybody can comment and on all of that. Then come down and hit on save. Okay, that would have been the first thing I would have done. Before I will now take you back, let me go back to where we have the stream key. Let me scroll up, okay, to click on learn how to use encoders, and then we copy the stream. That was the first thing I did. Rather, I copied the stream key first and then hit on done. So now let me take you back to my phone screen to complete this setup. Remember, this setup will not only give you your 4,000 watch hours. If your video is interesting, you are expected to have subscribers as well. There is no way somebody would love what you are doing and the person will not subscribe, right? So ensure you are using interesting videos that are not only going to give you the watch hours you are looking for, but will also give you subscribers, engagement. So let's go. Let me take you to my phone screen to continue this setup. Come to your Play Store. Now, let me quickly tell you something. As I opened my Play Store, I remember that my phone is not on the Gmail, the particular Gmail that I used in creating my YouTube channel. So let's start from there. Change your Gmail to that particular Gmail you used in creating your YouTube channel. Do not miss this. So let me switch my Gmail to the Gmail that I used in creating my YouTube channel. Then we pick up from there. So I am on the Gmail now. Come to your search button and type in live now. Live now. Live now. You search for the app. This second one is the app. Click on install. So let me just click on open and show you what I need to show you. So we are getting into live now. You click on next. Click on next. Click on next till you complete, you get to the main interface. This is showing you, okay, you are just coming into the app and then they are sharing some information with you. So at this point, live now needs you to give it permissions, like access to your photos, media files. It will get to your device, your gallery, to pick video that you're going to stream. So you click on allow. Okay, you can use Live Now to stream on many other applications, not only YouTube. But what we need, you can see up there, stream to 30 plus platforms at once. You can see how powerful this tool is. But our interest is in YouTube, so we click on YouTube. We are going to do stream with stream key. So when you open it, you're going to see where to paste your stream key. Remember the stream key we copied? You will paste that link here. When you paste that link, the next thing you want to do is to click on next. So you can see if you want to stream live with camera, let's say you set up your camera and you want everything to happen live from your camera, you can go ahead and select that one. But this one, we want to use a video, a pre-recorded video. So you ensure you click on video instead. And see, you will come down here. Wait, before you come down to click on video, come to where we have landscape, turn it to portrait. That place must be portrait, okay? Because vertical videos come on as YouTube shorts, so it will be easier for your shorts, your live video, being that it is in short format, to just appear on people's screen as they are scrolling through. You got that? So when you select that to portraits, you now come to click on video. Now listen, let me read what we have here. Video must be under 1 gigabyte and no longer than 60 minutes. Should be that 60 minutes is 1 hour, right? The next thing you want to do is to click on next. Clicking on next will take you to your gallery. So we're about to pick or select the video we want to use for the live stream. So I will go to my InShots and then I will take this video. Look up there, you see those two arrow, one is going right, one is going left. To show you there is a loop, that is a continuation sign. So you tap on it and it will highlight the white background you are seeing up there. Then you hit on start now. If I click this button start now, it means I'm ready to go live. Whatever I'm streaming will start going live, but since I'm not ready, I'm not going to click on it. I just made this video for tutorial purpose. That is why I am taking you up to this point. So what I want to do right now is to click on the X up there to cancel this live session, because I'm not ready to stream this video. I was only showing you how to do it. I know very well that this video is helpful. It's gonna add value, and if you want to get your 4,000 watch hours very quick, very fast, if you are consistent on streaming interesting videos, whether it's in your niche or not, trust me, you're gonna achieve that very much easily, and also you have subscribers at the end of the day. It's not only the watch hours that going live will bring for you using this method, it will also bring you subscribers. I'm going to see you on my next video upload. Please do not fail to hit on the subscribe button, because I'm actually ready for you and you have seen it. I'm ready for you to bring you useful updates that will help you to grow your channel. So I will see you on my next upload.